Shout out to everybody on the support. Recently, the channel has been doing well. Just doing some research into it, it's very easy to figure out why the sandwich tastes so good. But we're actually going to try to make the sandwich here itself. Now we got chicken breasts, the Popeyes Chicken Sandwich, half a chicken breast. But since I do like dark meat myself, I'm also going to show you very quickly how to debone a thigh in case you like dark meat for your sandwich. I will show you that. We'll get them brined in that fridge. I already actually tenderized the chicken breast, flattened them out a bit with a piece of saran wrap and a meat tenderizer. I'm not going to show you that, obviously. Just flatten your chicken breast out. But let me show you the thighs. You might have to get up under the skin. Sometimes the skin's kind of tough. But that's alright. You know, you take your knife, trim that fat off. Alright. And like I said, this is the alternative to being reliant on breast meat. Plus, personally, me, I just kind of like dark meat. I like the flavor of the thigh itself. So you're just gonna butterfly the bone and go right down, right along one side. All right. And right down the other. Alright. Okay. Just comes right out at that point. And we're going to do this exact same process on the other chicken thigh. Not too hard. A couple minutes of your time, you know, save you a couple dollars in your pocket. Nothing wrong with that. So, and plus these damn chicken thighs are humongous, man. Shout out to the local store for that. These boys are bad. Look at this bad boy. I mean, that's a nice cake. So what we're gonna do is the same thing on the other one. We're gonna repeat the process for this same thigh, and then we're gonna get into our brine. Alright, so what we got here for the brine is we have half a teaspoon already of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then we're going to put in 3 cups buttermilk. So we already have 2 measured out. And why I'm putting all this into the bowl first is because I'm going to want to get a nice mix on that brine, so we're not holding back on any of that yummy, delicious flavor. So go ahead and 3 cups buttermilk with our salt and black pepper mixture. And we're going to give that a nice stir. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cover it. We're going to go ahead and put them into that thing is gigantic. Oh my goodness. We're going to go ahead and cover these, put them into the fridge, let them sit overnight, just like Popeyes does, and then we'll be ready to fry in the morning. See y'all then.
The next day.
We got the canola oil, bringing it up to 375 degrees, ready for frying. We got the pan ready to butter and toast our bun. We have our brined out thighs and breasts ready for the fryer. Alright, now that I have my beautiful assistant with me, we can, I seen this in a little bit, savor the flavor, honey. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we got our cornstarch and flour, we got our dip for frying. So now what we're gonna do, since my honey likes to get messy, is we're gonna go in here. Alright, ready?
Ready.
Alright, honey, you help Dad?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. We go put it in there. Oi. Okay, put the flour on. Get in there. Look. Don't be shy. Look at Daddy. Alright, good job, bitches. Oh, don't get. Okay, we're gonna dip. Okay, we're gonna re-dip. Back in. Okay. And then we're going back in. Yeah, see, I knew you'd like this because you like to make a mess. My assistant is kind of slacking on her macking. Oh.
Look at this.
Okay, we're going to put this. God, that's a big one. All right, we're going to put this in here. I'm going to wait for our... I'm gonna try to pick up our cornstarch a little bit. Alright, so what we're gonna do is simply repeat the process with each piece of chicken. We went with the double dip. Here goes a thigh. Double dip thigh. It's coming for you. So I just want to show y'all the difference between the thigh meat and one more dip. Dip.
It's really good.
Thank you, beautiful. Oh, is it going to be really good?
It's really good.
Oh, okay, we're about to find out, huh, honey? We're going to taste the sandwich. And then
I love this sandwich.
Oh, you love the sandwich? I love you. My beautiful assistant, Poochies.
Yeah.
You're the Poochie, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm showing y'all now. We got one. We got one for...
Mama.
Woo! You got one for Mama? Yeah, I bet you Mama's gonna like it. Okay, so we got one thigh, one breast, going straight into that fryer. Once again, had to back out the beautiful assistants for the dangerous part. So what we're gonna do is we have our breading applied, and we're simply just dropping them bad boys in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Instant and delicious. So now that that's going in there, turn that down just a touch. So the chicken's in there. What we're gonna try and do is go ahead and take that down twice. We're gonna do it once on each side. So anywhere from 6 to 8 minutes, internal temperature, 165 degrees. But does it smell like golden, absolutely delicious fried chicken, y'all? Oh my God, believe me when I tell you, it does, fam. I'll put that bad boy right there. Now that's the thigh. And this chicken breast over here is quite beastly. I think this one's gonna get to sit. Oh yeah, he's gonna get to sit in there a little bit more. Oh my goodness, that piece of chicken, y'all. Look at that. Just look at it. There's a little piece of turkey there. That piece of turkey. Throw that bad boy on there. Some medium heat. Now, I'm not the biggest bread connoisseur. I actually ended up kind of cutting out some cost because I did not go with the brioche bun. But I found that the most expensive thing about this, besides the chicken, wasn't even the most expensive part. The most expensive part of this whole thing It's between the oil and the white pepper. I don't know why white pepper is so expensive. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna toast these bad boys up. Let me tell you, just that piece of crispy that I just got right now, my mouth has got it watering. This is literally only 2 pieces of chicken, 1 thigh and 1 breast, and it came out that big. So I just center cut it, perfectly cooked. What we figured out by buying the sandwich itself was that they end up just saucing it. It's not a piece of spicy, and that makes sense too, because the more chicken they can push, the more people they could accommodate. Pickles, you notice that they're sliced pickle spears. So the easiest way to make the spicy sauce is just add your Louisiana hot sauce, aka your tapatio. Just go ahead and add that in a cup, you know, stir it in. We'll go ahead and slap that on one of these buns over here. And we're also putting our pickle spears right in there like so. You get a piece of pickle to every bite. Yes, honey. Uh-oh, we had an injury. All right. Look at this. Look at this, baby. You helped Daddy cook. It looks so good. Some of my crispy kind of came off there. I need to put that back. There we go.
I need my chocolate cookies.
You need your chocolate cookie. Look at your sandwich, honey. You made such a good sandwich, babe.
Mom, I don't want a sandwich.
I know you don't want a sandwich, but Daddy wants a sandwich. You can see that center cut across that breast. I mean, obviously, it's my first time trying, so we're just going to make sure, double check, but internal temperature did read 165 on both pieces of chicken. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. These sandwiches. And now the taste. We go with the non-spicy first. Well, it's called, oh my goodness. It's called juicy, honey.
It's called juicy.
But
I know it's some.
She said you're spilling it. That is called juicy, baby. Oh my goodness. Did we just make a mama burger and make it better?
Yeah.
I don't know. This remind me of Eddie Murphy and the mama burger.
Cause I want McDonald's hamburgers. I'll make your hamburger better than McDonald's. You go better than McDonald's?
Here comes El Spicatory. I ain't gonna lie. The spice, the extra kick, the hot, and the dark meat. Oh my goodness. I would just do this regularly. Like, forget Popeyes, forget Chick-fil-A, Wendy's. I don't care where you get your sandwich. You're just way better off making the Popeyes do-it-yourself at home, straight Eddie Murphy style mama burger, and it is better. As always, you are never too old to live. I will leave a list of all the ingredients, how I did everything in the description below. I love y'all. Peace out. Say bye, baby.